Welcome to the Color Coded Chef. Today we're going to do a diamond pouch napkin fold. Step 1, lay the napkin face down in front of you. Step 2, we're going to grab the top corners and we're going to bring them down. Step 3, we're going to take the right side and we're going to fold it over to the left. Use your hands to make the creases. Step 4, we're going to rotate the napkin so the open points are away from us. Step 5, we're going to grab the top layer and we're going to bring that down. Press it down with your hands. Turn your instructions over. Step 6, we're going to bring the next layer down. Not quite as far as the previous one, but we're going to make the edging here. Step 7, we're going to bring the next layer down. Okay. Step 8, we're going to turn the napkin over. Step 9, we're going to fold the edges back, like so. And now we're going to flip it over again. Go. Get a little more even. And now we can insert our silverware. And now we have made a diamond pouch napkin fold. Thank you for joining the Color Coded Chef.